My name's Tim Adkins. I'm Director of Digital Life Science Operations, work for Zaether. Zaether is a life science digital solution consulting company. I'd say first thing comes to mind is quality, which is of course QBD by design, right? So the quality aspect, when you've got both all the data that's needed all in a single source of truth, if you will, I think that's really key. The other piece is that all of the risk management that you do, all the risk assessments that are inherent to the tool and all that ability, to me, that's kind of sets you apart. That's something very unique. And it also lends toward product definition documents and all those things for regulatory filing. So for me, quality, I feel like is the number one. You've got the R&D folks, and you've got product development, and you've got MSAT. Those are kind of three of the process scientists they're involved in the development of a given product. And with all that data going into one place, one time, I think that's really key. And so it kind of breaks down those silos that exist between those organizations today. Because typically, I mean, they talk, when they got to start thinking about transferring knowledge, there's some of that done. But again, they're more used to dealing in the context of paperwork, if you will, documents, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PDFs. So I think having all that data in one place just lends to better collaboration between the departments. Typically, MES is going to be integrated with a distributed control system or SCADA system of some sort. And those require parameter values as well. Equipment, OEM goes into the OEM or goes into the DCS. And so with that said, I think then all the parameters will come from QbDVision. So beginning of an order from an MES perspective, we get an order from the ERP, we go talk to QbDVision, pull in all those parameters to make that batch, and then when needed, MES then has that information they can pass to the control system at that time. So I think that's one. Another thing is, and they start looking at offline testing equipment. So it could be pH, connectivity meter, vicels, any equipment that's where local testing is happening at the line, but not on the line, right? So I think those are also really important because they're set up to be done on each of those pieces of equipment, certain set points and parameter values given for a product. And that data would also, I would expect, live inside of QbDVision. MES gets that as well at the beginning of the batch, and then at the right point in time can then send that down to that equipment as well. The positive thing is working with QbDVision is again, there's this inherent drive to do best, to do what's best for the company, for the industry. And really focus on quality. And at the end of the day, it's just a contagious thing.